And rolling.
Okay. So Boano has bought me for Christmas some exotic fruits, so we're gonna do an unboxing video. The website that you used was exotic fruits, right?
There's two different ones.
And then this one, yeah, but this one says my exotic fruit. So it's myexoticfruit.com for this one, and then exotic fruits for this one. So what one do you think I should open first?
Open the big one first. To be honest with you, I don't even know. It's all up to you.
Let's see. So the backstory is that I've been asking for soursop for a long time. That you would have seen that in the first video. And then I think we both wanted to try some exotic fruits, didn't we, that we have never had before?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't want to see that. That's got all the stuff in it.
Let me mention it as well. There were loads that I wanted to get, but a lot of them were out of stock, so probably not in season. So I could only get like, you know, I tried my best to find like the ones that you haven't tried, hopefully.
Like unusual
ones.
This says as well, if we leave them a review on Trustpilot, Google and Facebook, send them an email, you can claim a fruit box for free.
Oh, okay, that's good. Keep it in.
So we'll keep that. Alright. Maybe show the that's what it comes like.
Wow. They do look very like
It's properly packed though. I'm just gonna grab one. Oh my god. That's is that snake fruit?
Yeah.
Look at that. That actually is scary.
Yeah.
That genuinely looks like
There's two versions of it. So there's two different ones.
I can't believe that. That is weird.
Keep it at the side, did it for now.
That makes you think instantly like
it's snake.
Don't touch it kind of thing. Yeah. We'll pop it here.
Yeah.
Lotus, leave it.
Lotus.
Ugh.
There should be two.
So did you buy two, or is this two different?
So I bought 4, but two different versions. So one should be Bali, from Bali.
Wait, stop. That's another one, right?
Yeah.
That's the little one. That looks less like a snake, but
yeah.
Weird. They're also weird. No, I think a watermelon's in here. Wait, is this it? No, wait, is that?
That's not a sour soap.
That's the.
That's a sweet soap. That's why I bought it.
Okay.
So it's so similar to sour soap. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have to try them afterwards. Maybe that will be a separate video trying them.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the list.
It looks like a cucumber.
It is, I think, a form of cucumber.
There we go.
My God, what's with the packaging? They should not have done.
I can't even. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to take these out.
There is a.
How much in there? That's still not. I wanted to leave a layer because then it's a surprise. But
okay.
So another one of them. I'm just gonna grab this one. Oh my god, that is. Why is this so weird? Look. Oi!
Lotus!
Where's it? Lotus, come here! Right, Lotus was ruining the video. She's trying to eat everything. That's the... Damn. I'll get that out last. That looks like a baseball.
You have to go
I
through
don't even
the
know
list.
what this is. Yeah, but then I don't... Well, we'll check it after because I don't want to ruin it, like, what's coming up. It's like a chestnut.
God knows. Even I don't know.
So random. I'm gonna have to take it. Oh no! Wait. Oh, that's interesting. It looks like a lime, but it's got more. I don't know. I don't know if it's true or not, but apparently these bits here are like to do with the pollen of the plant. I don't know if that's a lie. Another one. Another ball. Another ball. That looks gross. What is that? Is that like... That looks like the breadfruit when we cooked it.
No, it's not, but yeah.
That is...
Yeah, you're going to have to crack it open, that one.
Yeah, that is weird.
I
I'll
think...
tell you, you know what the big one is in here?
What?
I'll get it out now. Because you said this was £22, right? Look.
Oh, my God.
That is a big watermelon. That is actually a really big watermelon.
I think that's about it in there then.
So this is a yellow watermelon.
Yes.
We'll try this in a bit. So what we'll do, we'll pick a few to try, and then we'll record them all as one, like what they actually taste like. Do you know where this is from?
God knows, but it should say in the thing, the list that it comes up with probably has it.
That is,
Anything else?
that's
I don't
really
think
heavy.
so.
No, I think that's
Yeah.
it. That looks like it's going to be a nice one though. Normally they have like a yellow patch, but this one doesn't.
I'm
But then
more
it's got
interested
this
on
pollen
this
stuff.
one and the snake plant.
That should taste like the...
No, there should be something else.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, but bearing in mind...
Oh,
it
unless
might
it's
be-
there.
Yeah, it might be in that one. No, there's definitely nothing else in here.
If it's not there, I'll be really, really annoyed because I was looking forward to that one as well.
No, trust me. I think I know which one you're looking forward to. This is really like Christmas, you know that? And you didn't even wrap it up.
That's good then.
Oh my god. Okay, ready? What the...
What the hell
That's
is that?
grapes.
God knows. I don't know what that is.
What the... Look at that. What is that?
God, I don't know actually. Let me...
This is refrigerated, I think. That's... Well, I mean, technically...
I made sure it's not refrigerated.
This one is definitely refrigerated. It's freezing cold.
Really?
No, actually, it's because it's been frozen, I suppose. What is that?
I don't know.
They look like dates.
You're gonna have to look at
But
the
like
list.
fresh dates. I don't know if this one had a list. Maybe in here. So this has to be... Let's see. A discount.
Okay.
It's a soursop storage. Please remove the soursop from the box. Keep it in a warm place. It is ready to eat once it's soft to very soft all over. Once soft, the soursop must be refrigerated and will usually keep for 5 days. Cool. So the cold temperatures may cause the skin to turn brown. Interesting. But it's been a long time coming. We've been trying to hunt this down for... Look, there you go. That's crazy.
Wow, finally.
Finally, I got my hand on the soursop. That's really cool though, look at that.
I know.
That is actually crazy. It's not soft at all at the moment.
Yeah, you're gonna
it's
have
proper
to...
ripe.
Yeah.
I mean, unripe, which is good. Because I don't want it, obviously, if it all came ripe, we would have to eat it like straight away. So, let's go. It can go in its little one.
What do you mean little? There's another one.
No, little box. Pick that. What's this?
That's soursop too, I think.
Is it? Is it because you buy it by weight?
Um,
Yeah, it is.
More like-
Wait. This one's soft. This one is actually soft.
maybe the picker decided to give you a soft one and an unsoft one.
Yeah. It's weird though. It's really soft here. Like, look, can you see that? Oh, not really.
Yeah,
But then here,
it's not as soft.
yeah, I'll try this now. What if I don't like it? Imagine it's shit. No, it can't be. I don't know if that needs more ripening or not, because it's hard there. But
I think
really
it needs
soft.
slightly more ripening than that.
But that's so soft there, though.
Yeah, but I think it still needs slightly more ripey.
Quite a pretty fruit. But look at that. She definitely picked Jenny hooked us up with that one. Look at that. That is really pretty. Okay. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
I kind of wanted watermelon anyway, so
So-
should we crack that open
Yeah, go on then.
as a tease? interested.
Health and safety, people. Health and safety.
This
Please
is the
don't do what he's doing.
official way of opening watermelon. Ah, that snake fruit is sharp. You know that?
Yeah, of course. It's called snake for a reason.
This
What?
is actually heavy. Look at that. That is sick.
See?
That is actually beautiful. Look at that. I could barely pick it up. That is really nice.
Yeah?
Look at that. I wonder if it tastes any different.
A bit of
This is-
taste like £22.
Yeah, this looks like £22.
No, to be honest, I don't know.
It's very weighty though.
To be honest, I don't know actually how much that cost. I'm just
Have a
joking.
check.
Let me check.
Wait, it's on here anyway. No, wait, where is it?
It was $24.95.
$24.95, even more money. Let's see. Oh, I don't wanna. Wait, keep that there. Stay there. I'll give you some as well. You know, I noticed the spirals.
Yeah.
You can just make them out.
Yeah.
But it's got the proper seeds in it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm joking. It's really good. You know what it tastes like?
What?
Watermelon. But it's nice. And these are proper seeds. You don't get the proper seeds like normally. Because these are really hard seeds and crunchy.
Oh my god, you eat the seed as well, you idiot?
Yeah. No,
You're supposed to throw the seeds, just spit it out.
no you don't. Try some. What do you think?
Mmm.
It is good.
It's so sweet.
Yeah, it is a really nice watermelon.
It's proper sweet.
That's me done. I want to eat this. It's really good.
Yeah?
Really nice. It's very pretty. Look at that.
I
Maybe I'm
want
sad.
imagine all kinds of cocktails and juices and stuff that they could make
Mm.
if only we were exposed to like more exotic fruits. People probably won't even know that there is such thing like yellow watermelon existed.
No, that's true. Especially in the UK because before this year, when I started getting into fruit, and I looked up watermelon, and then I kept buying watermelon, and then I saw. Remember, I told you about Carly Muscle,
Yeah.
who did that watermelon fast.
But I told you about yellow
that-
watermelon when we first started dating.
I don't think so.
I did.
I don't think so.
You just don't want to admit
No, I
it.
don't think so. But
There is also a square one that they make in Japan. Those are probably the
but
most
they put it in a
expensive.
box.
Yeah.
So, but, yeah, I saw him get it from the farmer's market. And then I don't know if they said that these ones are, I don't think they're the original because there was paintings of like watermelon and they were still red in the paintings like hundreds of years ago. So I don't know how they got yellow watermelon. I could just Google it, but in some ways they're more desirable, I think, just because of the colour.
I like the other one more, just because I like the...
It tastes the same.
I know, yeah. It would be really cool to have a mixed one, you know? Like
But yeah,
something
really
mixed.
nice.
All right, then. That's it for today. And the next video would be
We'll try the rest.
the rest of the fruits. But some of them are not ripe enough. That's why we don't want to...
We'll do it bit by bit.
Yeah.
I say the next video, but I'm probably going to edit it in.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.